guys, it's Triple Smoked here, and I'm outside doing a vlog with my dad. Oh my god, dude, look at that wasp nest.
Big one.
Oh my god. Dang, guys, that's already a good start to the vlog. Got a wasp nest. I just went to the mall with my dad.
Oh.
And we just got some clothes for me. I got like enormous Smarties, and then I also got Hubba Bubba gum, which I'm chewing right now. It's really good. Yep. Wait, and a what? Oh, and a bike mirror I got for my bike. Well, yeah, guys. So today I just wanted to walk around. Wait, where we are? In Denver, right? Denver Mall. I think it's, yeah. So guys, we just went to the mall. We got some food. We got a lot of stuff. So yeah. Yep, Flatirons Crossing. That's where we're at. Yeah, guys, we're just taking a stroll through this path. It's actually pretty cool. And we're just at a waterfall over there, which I want to go run back and show you guys. Just want to look at all that. That's so cool, guys. Like, so awesome. Kick the roll. And not that way. Alright, well, dude, I want to go show them the waterfall, Dad. Say hello to the vlog, Dad.
Hello.
Well, that's the first time you guys saw my dad. And my mom will be in the parking lot with our car. Once I get in the car, I'm going to end the vlog, guys. Because it's going to be boring. It's like so awesome out here. I'll give you guys a nice view of this while I'm walking. Hey, look at that cool bridge. Too bad there's no water in there. It does look abandoned. That was a big wasp nest in that tree, though. I don't know if you guys saw that, but man, that was big. So yeah, guys, how you liking the vlog so far? Yeah, the waterfall's just up there. You guys gonna see it.
Dylan's gonna throw rocks at that wasp nest and see if there's any.
Oh my god. Dude, should I? I'm just kidding. Oh my god, I would never throw rocks at that thing. That thing looks deadly, dude. They'll come out going zzz. Ah! I would start running. Like, nope, I ain't getting stung like 50 million times.
Jump in the water.
I know. Even though they're attracted to the water, so they would go in the water, but then they'll die. Oh yeah, guys. Woo! Got a huge waterfall. So cool. Let's give you guys a full view of this. Most of it's just ice. So cool. And then, of course, there's the warning signs. Oh, wow. It's like jump in. That's so cool. There's like money in here. Bunch of coins. I know.
Done it before.
Oh yeah, I've done it before. I swam in the swimming pool with it.
Oh, you dropped my phone in that lake, remember?
I didn't do that.
You were making a video and you tripped and threw my phone in the water?
You said like you're looking in your pockets of, oh crap, where's my phone? Remember in the boat?
That one time when you had had the dogs out by our house. You were just walking around making a video by that lake, and you tripped and dropped my phone in the water.
No, I don't remember that. Oh yeah, I can remember something. I can remember something like that, Dad. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's all just ice. Oh yeah, and guys, I'm gonna start uploading some gaming videos for you guys. So yeah, after this vlog, once I get home, I'm gonna make a gaming video right after this. So it's gonna be so awesome. Oh, okay then. Well, guys, looks like I just okay, I kind of want to go. Whoa, look at all the money. It's just like a bunch of pennies and dimes. But guys, I'm gonna walk on the trail again with my dad, and then I'm gonna end the vlog. So there's one last view of that waterfall. And there's a bird up there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but he's in the crack of like the rocks. I kind of want to climb up these stairs. Now end the vlog. Alright guys, we're climbing up these stairs. Man, look at that. That's so awesome. Alright guys, let's get up here. Alright, well guys, I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome. Peace.